Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find and open Canvas. Canvas is where you do your homework. The first thing you need to do is go to the internet. I like to use Google Chrome to go to the internet. So I'm going to click here and go to Google Chrome. You can see here it says Chrome. This is an internet search browser. Okay, the next thing I need to do is go to peralta.edu. So I come up here, this is called the search bar, and I type peralta.edu. And then I click the enter or return key. That will take me to this page. This is the home page for the Peralta Community College District. So there are 4 colleges in the Peralta District. And this is the home page for the district office. You need to come to where it says students and then look for email Canvas. I see it here. You're going to click to open your apps. And here it's going to ask you to sign in. This is my email address, so I'm going to click that. My computer puts my password in for me. You will need to type your password in, your Peralta password. Then I click sign in. After I sign in, I can see here is Canvas. Notice the color, it is red, it is a circle. And here it says Canvas. So I just click on this box and it will take me to Canvas. Right now, I'm in my Canvas dashboard. You can see here, it also says dashboard. I need to look for our class course. And here it is. It says 541D, and it has a picture of 4 people talking or laughing. I'm going to click on this box. This box opens the home page for our class, ESOL 541D. You can see it says, Welcome to Basic English, ESOL 541D. You will find your homework and helpful videos here in modules. For example, you can see here it says week 1, and you're going to find your homework and other helpful things here in the modules.